Plant FAQs. Coleonema Sunset Gold. Coleonema Sunset Gold. A burst of sunshine in your garden. For anyone looking to add a splash of color and texture to their landscape, the Coleonema Sunset Gold is a dream come true. This vibrant shrub boasts a unique combination of features that make it a standout in any garden. Over the years, I've been incredibly impressed with its resilience and ease of care, making it a perfect choice for both seasoned gardeners and beginners alike. This article will delve into everything you need to know about Coleonema Sunset Gold, from its captivating characteristics to the essential tips for keeping it thriving in your garden. Coleonema Sunset Gold thrives in sunny locations, receiving at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. When choosing a spot, prioritize well-draining soil. This beauty doesn't appreciate soggy feed, so avoid areas prone to water pooling. Amending the soil with sand or gravel before planting can improve drainage significantly. While it tolerates a wide range of soil types, a slightly acidic environment, pH between 6.0 and 7.0, is ideal. A simple soil test can reveal your soil's pH level, and amendments like peat moss can help adjust it if necessary. Planting is a breeze. Dig a hole twice the width of the plant's root ball, and ensure the depth allows the top of the root ball to sit slightly above the surrounding soil level. Backfill the hole with the excavated soil, gently tamp it down to remove air pockets, and water thoroughly. How to care for Coleonema Sunset Gold. Coleonema Sunset Gold is a low-maintenance shrub that rewards you with minimal effort. Here's the basic care routine to keep it looking its best. Watering. Water deeply when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. During the establishment period, first year after planting, more frequent watering might be necessary, especially in hot weather. Once established, Coleonema Sunset Gold is surprisingly drought-tolerant. Mulching. Apply a 2 to 3 inch layer of organic mulch around the base of the plant to retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Fertilization. While not strictly necessary, a light application of a balanced fertilizer in early spring can promote vigorous growth. When is the best time to prune Coleonema Sunset Gold? Pruning isn't essential for Coleonema Sunset Gold, but it can be beneficial to maintain its shape and encourage bushier growth. The ideal time to prune is after the flowering period ends, typically in late spring or early summer. When pruning, focus on removing dead, diseased, or damaged branches. You can also lightly trim overgrown branches to promote a more compact form. Remember, it's always better to prune conservatively. You can always take more off later if needed, but you can't put it back on. What to plant with Coleonema Sunset Gold. Coleonema Sunset Gold's bright foliage pairs beautifully with a variety of plants. Here are a few ideas to inspire your garden design. Lavender. The combination of Coleonema Sunset Gold's chartreuse leaves and lavender's fragrant purple blooms creates a stunning visual contrast. Russian sage. The silver foliage of Russian sage complements the golden hues of Coleonema Sunset Gold, adding a touch of elegance to the landscape. Nepeta. Catmint. The soft blue flowers of Nepeta provide a calming contrast to the vibrant yellow foliage of Coleonema Sunset Gold. Conclusion. Coleonema Sunset Gold is a captivating shrub that brings a touch of sunshine to any garden. Its low-maintenance nature, combined with its vibrant foliage and delicate flowers, makes it a perfect choice for busy gardeners or those new to the world of horticulture. With a little TLC, this gem will thrive in your landscape for years to come, adding a burst of color and texture that's sure to turn heads.